Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we're focusing on how to attach files to tasks in UPBASE. This will help you to streamline your workflow and keep all your important documents in one place. First up, let's open an existing task or create a new one. This is where you'll attach your file. It's important to attach files to the relevant tasks to keep your work organized and ensure everyone on the team has easy access to necessary documents. Now that we've opened our task, let's move on to the next step. Look for the Attachments section, typically found towards the bottom of the Task Details sidebar. This area is specifically designed for attaching files to the task. The reason we do this is to give a home to all those supporting documents that are crucial to the task. Next, click on the Upload button. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to choose a file from your computer. This helps us because it allows us to select the exact file we want to attach, whether it's a document, an image, or a spreadsheet. Once you've selected your file, click Open. UPBASE will now upload your file and attach it to the task. The beauty of this is that UPBASE stores a copy of the file within the task, so even if the original file is moved or deleted, the copy will still be accessible from the task. And there you have it. That's how you attach a file to a task in UPBASE. It's a simple but powerful feature that keeps your tasks and related files neatly organized. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is creating a secure digital archive for each task, ensuring your team can access the necessary resources at any time. Now, remember to always double-check that your file has uploaded correctly. You should be able to see the file listed under the Attachments section of the task. This step is vital to make sure your file is accessible for everyone working on the task. To wrap up, attaching files to tasks in UPBASE is a quick and straightforward process, but it can make a big difference in managing your workflow. So, next time you have a document to share, remember to attach it directly to the task. That way, it'll be right where you need it when you need it. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.